Hey guys, I am Debashree Dutta and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, protein and fiber-rich breakfast smoothie for weight loss. This is a type of food habit which really works for people who want to start their weight loss journey in a healthy manner. It works mainly for the people who are occupied in a busy schedule and face problems in preparing everyday meals. In the Smoothie diet plan, you replace two of your main meals, preferably the breakfast and lunch, with smoothies. The third meal you can have solid food, but keep in mind to have a lower calorie food. Scouts also allow a cheat meal every week, but only a few recommended ones mentioned in the Smoothie diet ebook. The Smoothie diet is a 21-day cycle, power-packed with nutrition and vitamins, and you can follow anytime you want to shed some pounds. The ingredients of the smoothies may vary, mainly depending on fruits, vegetables, protein, and few healthy fats. Follow the recipes in the ebook to prepare your solid meal food. The meal should not be high in calories or else not come up with the desired results. The Smoothie diet guide also helps you with some high-fiber snacks and low-sugar options. The Smoothie diet review contains two plans. The first one, the detox plan, where you replace all your three main meals with healthy smoothies which keep you feel fullness all day long. Another plan includes the 21-day plan, where you replace two meals with a smoothie and have one solid food with a few snacking. You can also modify, sometimes following a flex day, where you have a smoothie followed by two meals. But the Smoothie diet PDF is not recommended for people having food allergies. The Smoothie diet PDF was created by Debashree Dutta, a certified nutrition expert and health coach. He believes in home cooking with all the real ingredients. He is the one who throws his heart and soul into success. And that what led this revolutionary diet, the Smoothie diet program. The Smoothie diet involves having smoothies which are mainly from fruits and veggies. They are usually low in calories and provide you with the daily phytonutrients, being a part of your healthy diet. Less counting on calories. As per the Smoothie diet review, most of the famous diets and weight loss programs count on calories. But as we are aware that fruits and veggies are lower in calories, you don't need to get involved in counting the calories all day long. The recipes provided in the Smoothie diet for weight loss program don't involve much decision-making process, which is an added advantage for all working people. It is $37. It does no harm to your body. They are lesser in calories. Ramp them up with protein and healthy fats, making them tasty as well as to get the added benefits from it. So, consult a doctor or get a regular checkup before starting Smoothie diet for weight loss. Let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.